Hi everyone. Now I am going to discuss the topic about peroxisome and cytoplasm. The another name of peroxisome is known as microbodies. It is a single membrane vesicle. The diameter should be 0.5 mm. What are the enzymes present in the peroxisome? Catalase, D-amino acid oxidase, urate oxidase and other oxidative enzymes. So these are the enzymes involved in peroxisomes. Coming to the functions of peroxisome. It can participate in the process of oxidation of certain nutrients. First point is it can participate in the oxidation of certain nutrients. Hydrogen peroxide, which is a toxic compound, it is a toxic product of oxygen, is readily decomposed to form water. So this kind of reaction takes place in peroxisome. So this is the basic detail about peroxisome. Then coming to cytoplasm. Intracellular cell content possess both soluble and insoluble constituents. What is intracellular cell content? The cell content which is present inside the cell is referred as an intracellular cell content. These content possess both soluble and insoluble constituents. Now we will see about the soluble portion of the cytoplasm. The soluble liquid portion of cytoplasm is called cytosol. What is cytosol? The soluble part of the cytoplasm is called a cytosol. The another name of cytosol is cell sap. What is the another name? Cell sap. These cytosol or cell sap contain water, protein, lipid and other solutes. So what are the compound it contains? Water, protein, lipid and other solutes. Coming to the functions of cytosol. Metabolic process takes place in cytosol. What are the metabolic processes involved in cytosol? Glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, activation of amino acids, biosynthesis of fatty acids. What is glycolysis? Breakdown of sugar. The word lysis itself indicates breakdown. The word glyco means sugar. So breakdown of sugar is referred as a glycolysis. This is one type of metabolic process. Then gluconeogenesis. The word gluco means sugar, neo means new and genesis means synthesis or formation. So formation of new sugar is referred as a gluconeogenesis. This is one type of metabolic process. Then activation of amino acids. Then biosynthesis of fatty acids. So what are the processes involved in the cytosol? Metabolic process involved in cytosol: glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, activation of amino acids and biosynthesis of fatty acid. These metabolic process takes place in cytosol. So this is about peroxisome and cytoplasm. In the next video, I will discuss about plant cell in detail. Kindly share this information to others. Comment us, subscribe us, keep watching. Thank you.